Okay, so I wanted to share this quick video because I have two three-way switches connected. So I got this one, and then this light switch also is connected down here to this one. Okay, so if I turn it off, right, turn it on, works fine, and I come up here, okay, works fine. But if I turn it off and you see the little light, if I come down here, that little light is not there. And then I tried to use it, then it thinks, oh wait, I should be off. Now it's off. Now it works. And then sometimes it does that where it like automatically turns off the switch by itself. So I press it again, the other light, it like keeps trying to correct it or something. Like I don't really understand. But if I go into the app and then I turn it on, then it seems to work again. So my thought is to just put the smart switch here, because this is the one closest to the panel, and then actually disassemble the one upstairs. So again, like I turn it on, or I try to turn it on, and it's off. Press it again, it's automatically turning. I don't really understand why it's doing that. I synced them up, like the app tried to tell me to, but okay, then this one's saying it's off. Now it's working again. And then if I come down here, now it will work just fine if this initiates the off. Okay, so that one initiated the off. I come up here, and then it will do this, and then this one even just kind of stops working after that point. Like it won't even work. I have to go into the app, turn it back on to kind of engage it. So I think I'm gonna take this off and just put my normal switch back on that one, because I just don't think the two three-way switches communicate very well with each other.
These light switches are the best I've ever worked with. I've used a couple before. Genie is the one that comes to mind, which was difficult to connect to the internet. These ones were pretty easy. I have all the different types. So these are just single, on off. This is a dimmer switch. This is a three-way dimmer switch. And I'm putting them throughout my house. I installed almost all of them. I had an electrician do the 4-bank because I kept screwing up the wires. But this guy, that guy, great. But then your dimmer ones, I like how it makes the light go slowly on, slowly off. That's one. Turn it up, turn it down. Hey Google, turn off the dining room pot lights. And works with Google.
When there's a movie I really want to watch, I like to drop the big screen, sit down with my popcorn and my drink, and not have to mess around with the lights. So I installed the Kasa smart switches along with you know who. You'll hear her name in a second. It makes it very convenient when you have to get up and down and not trip over things and have your food sitting and waiting. Just say, Alexa, shut off the basement. And if I want just a little of the light on, I say, Alexa, turn on foosball. Alexa, turn on the pool table. So I have approximately 11 smart switches through my house, and I love them. My kids like to leave lights on. That just turns them off. You can set them for timers so they pop on for a little bit here and there. And Kasa even has motion sensors. All right, thanks.
Okay, Google, turn on upper hallway lights. Okay. Regular switch here. Off. Back on. This one is connected to another one, second one downstairs. So if I turn it on, turn it off. Hey Google, turn on main staircase lights. Works great.
I installed one of these already. Really simple install. If you've ever installed a three-way switch before, pretty easy. It comes with this cover that can be removed, and just whatever you have already, as long as you have one of these style switches, will work if you don't like this faceplate.
After about a year, the light switches go bad. There's nothing you can do but change it. Does nothing. These dimmable switches for these, I've got six of these 7-watt LEDs, and for some reason it's doing a flicker. They were working great until a couple weeks ago. See the flicker? Alexa, kitchen light off. Alexa, kitchen light on. Alexa, kitchen light 50%.